I am James Ma-CAPRICORN. Ma-CAPRICORN. We need them. Yes, I'm playing ice hockey. And this whole video, no lie, nothing is being fast forward. All my videos are not being fast forward. I'm a speed of light, full propulsion, full torque all out. And I'm only 5'3", 3/4 on my feet. I don't meet the feet. I joke around. Remember me, I'm better than Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee is a slight cheat. He'll wake up on his feet, and he'll meet the feet. Let them all know, viral. It's all on YouTube just for jokes. But I'm really that good. All my life, competitive ice hockey. My teeth are still intact, 42 years old. I'm born January 9, 1983. No lie. This whole video, no lie. If I'm lying, you sue my ass. If I'm lying, my arms ain't turned black and fall. If I'm lying, I'll die now. If I'm lying, I'll collapse now, but I'm not lying. Today's Wednesday, October 8th, 2025. It's around 11 a.m. If I'm a little bit off on the date, just remember, I'm really playing ice hockey. And this whole video, no lie, like and subscribe. Once again, my name's James Ma-CAPRICORn. If I'm lying, sue my ass. If I'm lying, I'll collapse now. If I'm lying, I'll die now. If I'm lying, my arms, legs turn black and fall off. Only if I'm lying, and I'm not. Let me know. Wait till. Means bad. Wait till means let me know. Bad means no AIDS. Gotta be careful. You may not have AIDS if you have AIDS. Stay healthy. Drink water. Be good. Think smart. Multivitamin, lukewarm water. Have fun. Brings your cotton clothes where you play. So you stay warm, go home, and you buy a nice, cool pizza, lightly done, healthy pizza that's good for your skins. Tomato sauce, lycopene with multivitamin, lukewarm water. Stay healthy, folks.